Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your TV and source device must share the same Wi-Fi network, and Airplay must be enabled on the TV. Next, check for and install any software updates on both devices because many Airplay failures are version mismatches. Once done, power cycle the TV and your phone or Mac. This clears transient network and service states. Make sure Bluetooth is on for discovery on some devices, and note the SSID name so you're certain both gadgets are truly connected. Now focus on the network and device settings that most often cause issues. Inspect your router. If device is split across 4 GHz and 5 GHz, either move both to the same band or enable multicast/IGMP snooping and no AP isolation. Then, check the TV's Airplay access controls, remove stale device entries, and reset any Airplay passcode. Make sure the router firewall or guest network isn't blocking local discovery. Once configured, re-attempt discovery from your phone or Mac, and watch for the TV name to reappear. Finish by testing a direct connection path to isolate the issue. Try an HDMI adapter to verify the TV accepts the source, or use Airplay peer-to-peer if available to skip Wi-Fi. If Airplay still fails, clear network settings on your phone or TV, backup profiles first, then reconnect. As a final troubleshooting tip, reboot the router and check system logs for multicast or bonjour errors. If persistent, factory reset the TV only after you've exhausted router and device resets, because that's the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.